How to abandon a crew in Blox Fruits on Xbox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to leave a crew in Blox Fruits on Xbox. It's a simple process, so follow these steps carefully. Changing your crew and switching it to another one is straightforward. To begin, open the game and locate the pirate icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to access the crew details. And if you are currently in a crew, you will find the option Abandon It. Upon selecting this option, you will receive a confirmation warning. Once confirmed, you will exit the crew and can join a new one. If you wish to create your new own crew, click on the Create Crew option and follow the prompts to set it up. Remember that you need to be at least level 300 to create your own crew. If you encounter any issues abandoning the crew, try restarting the game. By following the simple steps and clicking on Abandon, you can effectively manage your crew. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.